Hey guys, welcome back to another Stovetopyumyum video. Today I'm with my sous chef mom here, and Carlito's back, and today we're making street tacos. Or what is it called again?
That's right, chicken street tacos.
Chicken street tacos. And now we're going to show you the ingredients. Mom, can you explain to us some of the ingredients?
Okay, it's very simple, guys. We have 6 boneless chicken thighs that I've chopped up with 2 tablespoons of Stovetopyumyum spice blend. I have half a tablespoon of salt. Remember, this spice blend does not contain salt because not everyone can have salt. So half a tablespoon of salt. I have a third a cup of lemon juice, and I have marinated this overnight. You should marinate it at least 30 minutes. About 30 minutes, Carlito. And I have over here a medium onion and some cilantro I'm chopping up with some lemon juice to top our street tacos. And that's it. That's it, Carlito.
Okay, well that was Mom. Okay guys, now let's get to the cooking. Okay guys, now we're back and we're ready to cook, and now I'm just going to add some VO sauce right now.
VO juice, yeah.
VO juice right now, and just spread it around like that. Is that
good?
Bit?
Yeah, about a tablespoon, a little bit more.
About a tablespoon, a little bit more, thank you. My sous chef is a pro, as you can see.
By the way, guys, while Carlito does that, this is our Stovetopyumyum special blend spice that I have coming out, seasoning. If you'd like a sample, here are my samples that a lot of my friends and a lot of people have already. If you're interested, visit me. See it on the screen at www.stovetopyumyum.com, and make sure you fill out the contact form to contact me with the information, and it'll go directly to my email, and I'll be more than happy to send you a sample. This stuff is off the chain. Okay, Carlito, you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's start mixing around this oil.
No, you don't need to mix the oil. You need to put the meat in there, sweetheart.
Oh, I thought we're supposed to. Okay.
No, you're supposed to put the meat in there now. Go ahead.
So the meat.
Just drop it in.
Yeah, let's just.
Go ahead, drop it in.
Me.
I'll do it for you. There we go.
Nice then.
All right.
Already looking good. With the Stovetopyumyum new spice blend.
Don't forget to tell our followers that we are using yellow corn mini tortillas, street corn tortillas. The reason, do you know why they're called street tortillas?
Why?
I mean, the street tacos?
No.
Do you know why? Because in Mexico, in the streets in Mexico, these tortillas are tiny like that. The authentic Mexican tacos. Yeah.
I bet they
Good to know. Good to know.
Yeah.
So what are you doing? You got to tell your people what you're doing.
Yeah, so right now I'm just mixing around the chicken, making sure it cooks well, making sure it doesn't like burn, you know. I'm just mixing it around. And it's bubbling. The VO juice is bubbling right now.
The pan on the stove.
Yes.
It's off the stove a little bit, so it'll be even cooking. Just teaching you, you know, keep it on the stove. A chef never serves anything until they try it.
Yes.
Always remember that, guys. It's never going to be perfect. So I never serve my family food, ever, unless I try it first. It's a chef thing.
Okay, guys, our chicken just finished right now.
Almost, not yet.
Almost finished right now, so we're gonna start getting into the taco situation, making some delicious tacos. Who said tacos?
That's okay. So when we come back, guys, this chicken is gonna be complete. Me and Carlito are going to assemble the tacos. I'm gonna assist him. We are gonna work on our tortillas. When we come back, we'll show you how we'll heat our tortillas up and keep them warm, which is a great tip. And then we will start plating, right, Carlito?
Oh my god, I can't wait.
You don't want to miss this, you guys. We'll be right back.
Okay, guys, we're back and our chicken's ready. And now we're getting the tortillas prepped.
Yes.
And we put it on, what was it again?
On medium.
We put it on medium so they don't burn. And now let's show you really quick.
Our pan where we're heating our tortillas. My secret, Carlito, to keeping our tortillas hot once they're done is it's better if you have heavy duty foil. Grab a piece of that. We'll wrap them in as they're done. We'll keep wrapping them and they'll stay warm. Or you can use regular foil. That's just my secret in case you don't have a little tortilla box to keep it warm.
Yeah.
A lot of them come styrofoam, but I just use foil.
Is that a wand?
No, what is? This is a paella. This is a pan that you use to make paella. So.
Oh, I thought it was a wand.
So we're warming them up. Here goes one. All right.
Looking good. Okay, guys, when we come back, we're going to plate and we're going to start the taste test. So we'll see you then.
Just stop it, Carlito.
Okay, guys, so we're back and we're ready to plate, and I'm so excited to taste. How do you feel, Mom?
Good, excited. I love tacos.
Oh my God, tacos.
Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how we plate this. Okay, guys, so we have 2 tortillas per taco. That's how they do it in Mexico, Carlito.
Yeah.
I'm going to put a little chicken, helping you out here. This is so simple and so freaking delicious. My mouth is watering.
They're pretty tiny.
That's how they are. That's how the street tacos are. Alright, so we got our meat there. Now, Carlito, I'm going to put some... You want jalapeno?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of our little street taco pico. I call it street taco pico. This is how they make it when you buy street tacos. Onion, cilantro, lemon, and salt, and pepper. That's it. Yum, yum.
Oh my God.
Look at that. So let's get a few jalapenos now.
Are these pickled?
These are pickled, yes, pickled jalapenos. So we're going to do that right now. So I can show you how pretty what it looks like. Very simple, guys.
Yeah.
Nothing fancy to plate, Carlito. It's very simple.
It looks pretty fancy to me.
So there you have it. Our chicken street tacos.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think, Carlito?
There's juice leaking out of them. That's a good sign. Okay, that was a thumbnail. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So our street tacos are looking pretty good. And then now it's time for the taste test, the best part.
Alright, so grab one. So remember, with these little tacos, there's always 2. That's how the street vendors do it.
Yeah.
Ready? My mouth is what? Get both of them. Get both tortillas.
You gotta get both, okay.
Yeah, you have to. You don't have to. Go ahead, just grab it. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay.
It's really not a big deal. Make sure you bite it on the plate. You ready?
Mm-hmm. All right. Oh, I thought we were doing 3, 2, 1.
God. Holy moly.
That's crazy good.
I'm telling you, that stovetop blend. I use it for soups. I use it for meat, chicken, fish.
It works perfect with them. And it works definitely perfect with this.
I'll take another bite because we're double dippers. You ready?
The onion and the cilantro are just perfect together. And the jalapeno makes it just much better. Okay.
Hold the plate.
I got it. Okay, Mom, you can stop. You're going like,
Oh, yeah.
Really is, guys.
How easy was that? Lemon juice, chicken thighs, Stovetopyumyum spice blend, and salt. That's it. That's it. Cooked our chicken on 1 below high. Made our famous little street taco. Here, hang on to this, sweetheart. Our street taco mix. And so, guys, I'll let Carlito take the ending away.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This was a simple, delicious dish right here. Mexican street tacos. The Mexican chicken street tacos. It was delicious, guys. And if you enjoyed, please press the subscribe button. and like and hit that like button. And I don't know the like. Can you tell me?
And our merch. Don't forget the merch.
Oh yeah, the merch. And then
our new designs, our aprons, passion and love.
Oh yeah. I like the brown one. My favorite brown one.
This is the black one. Mm-hmm. And you can visit us at www, right on the screen, .stovetopyumyum.com.
One sec. And also, don't forget we have some amazing spice blends coming soon.
This is the original, and if you'd like a sample, please visit us at www.stovetopyumyum.com and make sure you go to our contact form, fill out your information as to where I can send one of these, and you'll be happy you did.
Yeah.
So we can't end our episode, Carlito, without mentioning our two main ingredients. I mean, that would be terrible.
Oh, yeah.
You want to tell them about the two main ingredients?
Salt and pepper.
No, passion and love.
Okay. Passion and love are our two main ingredients in every dish that we make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time in another great episode of Stovetopyumyum.
Let me know in the comments how Carlito did. I think he did great. We love you guys. Au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. Until the next great episode of Stovetopyumyum, I will be back with my sidekick, and I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.